In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create bundle discounts on Shopify. First of all, let's hit into discount. And I already have one, but I want to create a new discount. So I tap right up here on the button in the right corner. And I want to click buy X, get Y. So now I come in here and I can add a discount code or an automatic discount. I want to add an automatic discount, and my title for this can be anything. I just type great deal, and you can say that the customer has to buy a minimum quantity of items or a minimum purchase. But I want to select this minimum quantity of items because this is what fits my deal. And I want to click specific products. I set this for 1 and specific product. So that means that when, like that. So when the customer buys my orange stuffed animal, then they get 1 quantity. Any items, I select products again. And I select my blue stuffed animal. And I type in for free. So when they buy my orange stuffed animal, they get my blue stuffed animal for free. And you can set a maximum number of users per order. I want to do this and I want to set it at 1 time. And you have availability and combination. You shouldn't really specific on this. Then you have the active dates. I just want it to be ready from now. And I don't want an end date. And now I click on save and I have now created a bundle deal.